Hi guys, hi everyone, welcome to our day 7 of Wall Pilates challenge guys. Today's workout is very intense. Make sure you balance nicely, make sure you're not feeling any pain on your back and your neck. So let's get this workout started guys. And guess what, today we are targeting the glutes and the abs. It's a 2-in-1 workout guys, so we are killing it today. We are killing it. These first 2 workouts guys is our warm-up, so there's no rest in between. We are still doing this one. On this one we're crushing those abs, we are melting that fat, that stubborn belly fat, we are crushing it, we are squeezing it. Alright, and then after this one guys, don't rest, we move to our glutes workouts guys. As you can see guys, we are pumping those glutes. We are pumping those glutes. Make sure you're squeezing your glutes guys. Alright, let's get today's workout guys. Don't quit on me guys, don't quit on me, cause the results guys, they're still loading. Don't quit on me, push no matter what, push, no pain no gain. Alright guys, rest time, breathe in and breathe out, gather some energy. Let's push guys, let's push, let's squeeze those abs. Squeeze those abs, you can balance with your arms. Let's push. Rest time. And we are crushing it, guys. We are doing it, we are killing it. I'm so proud of you. Let's do this. Rest time, breathe in and breathe out, gather some energy. Just cross your leg on top of another and give me 20 guys, give me 20. We are killing it, we are killing it. Rest time, breathe in and breathe out, gather some energy. And then now guys, squeeze those glutes guys. We are pumping our glutes, we are pumping that butt. Let's push guys. Rest time. And now we are dealing with those abs. We need that ab definition. Definitely guys, just crush your abs. feel the burn on your tummy, engage your core, guys. Let's do this. Let's do this. Rest time. Just balance nicely and squeeze those glutes, guys. Just ignore the burn, ignore the pain. I know, guys, you might be feeling the burn on your glutes, but guess what? We are pumping our glutes, guys. We are pumping our glutes. Rest time. We continue, guys. We are burning some fats on our belly, so let's push. That hanging belly, that lower belly, we are melting it now. Rest time. Again, guys, we are squeezing those glutes once again. Rest time. Alright, guys, give me the hundreds. Just squeeze your belly, squeeze your stomach. Make sure you engage your core. Rest time. Oh my goodness, my glutes are screaming for help. They are on fire, but we keep on pushing, guys. We keep on pumping those glutes. Anne, make sure you squeeze the glutes and then make sure you feel the burn. Let's push. Guys, alright guys, we are done with today's workout. It was very intense. It was not easy today. My glutes are on fire, like my stomach is on fire. Wow, what a workout, guys. I'm so proud of you guys. Let's do some stretching, guys. Let's do some stretching. And wow, it feels good, guys. Just stretch your muscles. because we did a good job, guys. It was not easy, hey? But I tell you guys, if you stick with me, by the time we finish this challenge, guys, we will celebrate. All of us, guys, will put a smile on our faces because, wow, what a workout. It's very, very challenging. At the same time, it's very effective. You won't go wrong, guys. It's very, very effective. Very, very effective. The results are still loading, guys. We take it slowly, one day at a time. Gancane, guys. We are getting there slowly but sure. As they say, no pain, no gain. So, slowly but sure, guys, we are getting there. Alright, guys. I'll see you guys soon, hey? For those who follow me on my live, I'll see you guys on my live. My live is around 7 a.m. in the morning. We are doing that Chinese dance workout, the viral Chinese dance workout. If you want to join my live, feel free to join my live. You are welcome. Okay, guys, thank you so much. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, guys. I really appreciate. If you don't want to type or write anything, just leave your girl a heart, guys. I really appreciate. So, guys, take care. Love you. See you soon.